Hello friends, this is Adel. This video is in collaboration with Boya. Today I'm talking about Boya BY-AP4. These are true wireless earbuds. Are these good for the daily life usage? For buying and detailed information, you can check the links down below in the video description. Are these earbuds good for MS Teams or any other software? So let's go and explore. This is the Boya BY-AP4 website. For this you can find detailed information, and for buying detail, check the links down below in the video description. Boya's AP4 true wireless stereo earbuds are stylish and pack an audio punch. They have a long battery for persistent use. They have been designed to be comfortable for all-day use. The AP4 are very nice on the eye and easy on the ears. The white finish is nice enough and the design is aesthetically pleasing as well as comfortable. There are microphones in the base and inside. The hole to the left of the Boya logo is a flashing indicator light and avoids the flashing when a call is coming. Boya AP4 earbuds add a new dimension to your workout. They are light, comfortable and designed to stay securely in your ears during running on the park or doing a total body workout. The fit is pretty good and they stay in the ear well with the larger tips. They don't protrude out or inwards too far and are pretty stable. They include a pressure relief hole on the inside but do not feel invasive and a good option for prolonged use. Controls are actually pretty good. Triple tap, right plays the next track, left plays the previous track. Double tap will pause the video playback and again double tap will resume the video playback. Single tap answer calls and long press right rejects. Actually all controls work really well and perfect. Connecting the Boya AP4 earbuds to the Apple TV and make sure it's connecting one device at the same time. While using it on Apple TV, I really enjoyed its stereo sound, which will boost your movie watching experience. Boya AP4 easily connected to Windows 10, and let's see how you can use them while using Microsoft Teams. You can also check the settings in the MS Teams. Check the device settings in the MS Teams and make sure Boya AP4 is selected on audio devices, speaker and microphone options for using them properly. They sit very tight in your ears and they are good for isolating the game sound into your ears, and they tend to provide superb sound quality overall. I got 5 hours 25 minutes to charge from one charge and the case gives approximately 22 hours. The single play time is very good. Overall they looks pretty good and performing well. Boya BY-AP4 true wireless earbuds are really good while using them for MS Teams, Zoom meetings, listening to music or answering calls. They are so comfortable for long use, and for more detail you can check the links down below in the video description. If you are interested in latest unboxing videos, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.